Hello and welcome to your day 2 of 30-day everyday yoga for healthy body and mind. My name is Talakati Chan. Thank you so much for joining me. For day 2, we will move into dog bird pose from beginner to advanced and we'll begin in a child's pose today. So please make the way onto the mat whenever you are ready. Bring the big toes together to tucks behind you, sitting on the heels or block or pillow or cushion here. Open the knees as much as you need. Walk your hands forward and rest the forehead down onto the mat. Take a moment here to arriving into your body, arriving into your space, and the moment right here on your mat. As you are ready, we begin to move. Come up to a tabletop position. Stack your shoulders over your wrists, hips over your knees. Inhale to a cow pose, drop the belly down, lift the chest, open your heart. Exhale to a cat pose. Push your palms away from the mat, grounding your spine and chin into the chest. Few more rounds at your own pace, cat cows movements. To wake up your physical body, to warm up your spine. Maybe close your eyes, move at your own pace in your own way. Beautiful. On the next, meet me back in a tabletop position. Inhale, open the right arm up for a twist. Exhale, thread the needle, right arm underneath the left, hovering the right shoulder here. Keep pushing the left palm away from the mat and reach your right hand to the left. Press the hip to the right for a deeper twisting. 2 more rounds just like that. Inhale, open the right arm up for a twist. Exhale, thread it down. One more time. Inhale, right arm up for a twist. Exhale, thread it down. And this time, bring the right shoulder down onto the mat. Keep pushing the left palm away from the mat. And think about press the hip to the right for a deeper shoulder twisting. Breathe here for 5 more breaths. Beautiful. You can continue breathe here or press the left hand away from the mat to extend the left leg up, to open the left hip. Breathe. Keep breathe here for 5 more breaths. You got this, my friend. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, bring the left knee back down to the mat. Open the right arm up for one more twist here. And bring the right palm down to the mat. Left arm up for a twist. Thread the needle. Left arm underneath the right, hovering the left shoulder. Keep reaching the left hand to the right and think about press the hips to the left here for a deeper shoulder twisting spinal rotation. 2 more rounds like that. Inhale, open the left arm up for a twist. Exhale, thread it down. One more inhale, open it up. Exhale, thread it down. And this time, set the left shoulder down to the mat, left cheek down to the mat. Keep pressing the right palm away from the mat. And again, think about press the hips to the left side. And breathe here for 5 more breaths. You got this, my friend. You can continue breathe here or join me for another movement here. Press the right palm away from the mat. Extend the right leg up and back. Open the right hip. Breathe, hug the navel towards the spine to activate the lower abs. 5 more breaths here. You got this, my friend. Set the right knee back down to the mat. Open the left arm up for one more twist. And walk your hands forward to a puppy pose. Raise the forehead or the chin down onto the mat, allowing the chest melting down towards the mat, awakening your back of the shoulder. Keep hug your navel towards the spine to ignite the lower abs. Beautiful. With control, press the forearms down to the mat. Inhale, shifting the shoulders forward. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the knees, come up to a forearms plank pose. Keep hug the navel towards the spine. Breathe. 5 more breaths here. You got this, my friend. Drop the knees down to the mat, belly down to the mat. Kiss the mat, untuck the toes, hands underneath the shoulders. Inhale, baby cobra. Exhale, lift the legs off of the mat to a locust legs. Balance on the belly, squeeze the booty. Option, airplane to arms or capital T to arms here. Engage the core, lift everything higher, a little higher. Breathe. One more inhale. Exhale everything down. Kiss the mat. You got it. Hands down to the mat. Tuck the toes. Push the palms away from the mat. Tabletop. And down dog. Send the hips back and up to your first down dog. Walk your heel to the long edge of the mat. Shortens your down dog. Press the right palm away from the mat. Grab the right ankle by the left hand. And then reach the chest to the right thigh for a down dog twisting. Beautiful. Release your left hand back to the top of the mat and grab the left ankle by the right hand. And then press the chest to the left thigh for a down dog twisting. Breathe. You got this. Both hands to the top of the mat. Come back to a traditional down dog. Inhale, right leg up to a 3-legged dog. Exhale, bend the right knee, stack the hips. Inhale, right leg up and back to a 3-legged dog. Exhale, squeeze the right knee to the nose. Engage the core. Keep pushing the palms away from the mat. Squeeze the right knee to the nose. And from here, extend the right leg back to a one leg high plank. Gaze to the top of the mat. With control, bend the left knee down to the mat to a bird dog pose. Level your hips. Push the palms away from the mat. Hug the navel to spine. Press the heel, right heel to the back of the mat. Breathe here for a moment. One more inhale. Exhale, step the right foot to the top of the mat. Lowering the hips down, circle the hands up to sky to a crescent moon. And breathe here for a moment. Hug the navel towards the spine. One more inhale. Exhale, twist to the right. Open the right hand to the back, left hand to the front. And breathe. You got this. Inhale, right hand bring down to the left thigh. Reach your left hand up and back for a deeper twisting. Breathe. Just like that. Take one more inhale. Exhale, bring the left hand inside the right foot. Tuck your left toes, lift the left knee. Open the right arm up for a low lunge twist. And breathe here for a moment. Lowering the left hip down to the mat. Open the right arm up and back. You got this with control. Turn to your right leg forward fold. Turn the body to your left. Straighten the both legs. Putting all the 10 toes to the left side. Grab the heels or hook to the big toes here. Sending the hips up to sky, lifting the crown of the head down towards the mat. Keep waking up the back side of the body. The hamstring, the calves, the lower back, middle back and upper back. One more inhale. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Lift the chest up and out. And low lunge to the back. Bend the right knee, walk your hands to the top of the mat. Extend the right leg back to high plank. Drop the knee, chest chin down. Low plank or modified low plank. Cobra up dog, open your heart. And exhale, down dog. Tuck the toes and the hips back and up. Left leg up to a three-legged dog when you are ready. Bend the left knee, stack your hips. Breathe. And kick the left heel up and back to a three-legged dog. Squeeze the left knee to the nose, engage the core. Push your palms away from the mat. Breathe. And extend the left leg back to one leg high plank. Keep the gaze at the top of the mat. With control, drop the right knee down to the mat to a bird dog on the left side. Level your hips and breathe here for a moment. Hug the navel towards the spine. You got this with control. Step the left foot between the hands. Lowering the hips down, circle the hands up to sky to a crescent moon. Continue breathe here for a moment. Level the hips, open your heart. Active your right hip flexor. Amazing. One more inhale. Exhale, open the arms to the left for a twist. Breathe. Left hand back, right hand to the front. Inhale, left hand on the right thigh. High five the right hand up and back. Continue breathe here for a deeper twisting. You got just one more good by inhale. Exhale, set the right hand inside the left foot. Tuck the right toes, lift the right knee off of the mat. Open the left arm up for a low lunge twist. Breathe. Lowering the right hips down to the mat. Open the left arm up and back. One more good by inhale. Exhale, wide leg forward fold. Turn the body to the right. Straighten the both legs, pointing all the 10 toes to the right side. Interlace your fingers on this side for a bite. Drop your hands to the head direction. Shake the head yes or no. And bring your hands down to the mat when you are ready. Lift the chest up and out. Low lunge to the front. Rebend the left knee. Walk your hands to the top of the mat. Lift the right heel up sky. Extend the left leg back to high plank. Drop the knee, chest chin down to a modified low plank. Inhale, cobra or up dog. And tuck the toes, open your heart. And exhale, down dog. Hips back and up. Beautiful. Inhale to a three-legged dog, right leg up and back. Exhale, step the right foot between the hands. Inhale to a high crescent pose. Bend the right knee and then circle the hands up to the sky. Breathe here for a moment, lowering the hips down, level the hips. Hug the navel towards the spine. Active the core, the lower body. Take one more inhale. Exhale, airplane pose. Circle the arms by the side. Lift the chest over the right thigh. Breathe here for a few seconds. Make a dino shape from the back heel to the crown of the head. On the next, big transition, my friend. From here, use your core. Shifting the shoulder forward, option hands on the hips, lift the left leg up. Choose your airplane pose with control. Extend the left arm beside the left ear. Right arm beside the right hip. Choose your standing bird dog pose. And breathe, micro bend the right knee if you need it. Kick the left heel back. Beautiful. Is it too much for you? Feel free to set the hands down to the mat for support. Kick the left heel up and back. One more inhale. Exhale. One leg mountain pose with control. Bend the left knee towards the chest. Circle the both hands up to the sky. Breathe here for a moment. A little challenge your right leg here to strengthen your right leg. Breathe, level the hips, level the shoulders. Amazing. Now we just flowing those movements. Few more rounds to strengthen our physical body, strengthen the mind. Beautiful. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Standing bird dog. Kick the left leg back. Circle the right arm back. Level the hips. Inhale, one leg mountain pose. Keep the left arm where it is. You just move the left leg, the right arm. Exhale, standing bird dog. Yes, you can. Breathe here for 3 more breaths. Beautiful. One more inhale. Exhale, both hands down to the mat. Bend the right knee and set the left toes behind to a pyramid pose. Press the right hip back. Left hip to the front. Lift the chest over the right thigh. 3 more breaths here. You got this, my friend. Inhale, rebend the right knee. Exhale, set the left knee down to the mat. Slide the left heel to the right side. Bring the sitting bones down to the mat to a seated twisting. Bring the right heel to the outer left thigh. Hug the right knee into the chest. Right hand behind the hip. And breathe. Maybe close the eyes for a moment. So strong, my friend. You got this. One more inhale. Exhale, release a twist. Shifting the shoulder forward. Press the right heel down to the mat. And tuck the left toes. Extend the right leg up and back to a three-leg dog. Take one more inhale. Exhale. Crunch the right knee to the right tricep. And with control, lift the right knee up and back. Open the right hip. And then set the right toes behind you to a flip dog, or you can call it wild thing. Lift the hips, open your heart up to sky. Keep pushing the right palm away from the mat. Open your heart. Breathe here just for 4 more. 3, 2, 1. High to low plank. Bend the both knees. Bring the right hand down to the mat. Option 1 leg plank. So strong, my friend. Up dog or cobra. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. You got this. Left leg up when you are ready. Left foot between the hands. Bend the left knee. Circle the hands up to sky to a high crescent pose. Breathe here for a moment. Level the hips, lowering the hips down towards the mat. Open your heart if you are feeling good here. Breathe 3 more breaths here. Enjoy your crescent pose. You got this. One more inhale. Exhale, flying crescent. Airplane the arms. Lift the chest over the left thigh. Make a diagonal shape from back heel to the top of the head. 3 more breaths here. You got this. With control, shifting the shoulder forward. Choose your airplane pose. Pick up the right leg. Use the core. Level the hips. Option hand to the heart center. Breathe. And from here, reach your right arm beside the right ear. Left arm beside the left hip. Choose your standing bird dog pose. So strong, my friend. And from here, inhale, one leg mountain pose. Both hands up to sky. Bend the right knee towards the chest. Parallel the right thigh to the ground. Level the hips. And breathe here for 3 more breaths. So strong, awaken your inner power within you. And we just flowing those movements 2 more rounds to strengthen our physical body, our mind. Take 1 more inhale. Exhale, standing bird dog. Circle the left arm back, right leg back. Level the hips, parallel the chest down to the mat. Kick the right heel back. Inhale, one leg mountain pose. Right knee towards the chest. Arms up to the sky. Almost there, my friend. Exhale, standing bird dog. Circle the left arm beside the left hip. Kick the right leg back. Breathe here for 3 more breaths. Level the hips. Amazing. With control, bring your hands down to the mat. Bend the left knee, set the right toes to the back of the mat to a pyramid pose. Press the left hip back, right hip to front. Breathe here for 3 more breaths. Oh God, just my friend. Bend your both knees, set the right knee down and slide the right heel to the left, sitting bones down to the mat to a seated twisting. Bring the left heel outside the right thigh. Hug the right left knee into the chest. Bring the left hand behind the back, lengthening your spine. Maybe close your eyes for a moment. Breathe here for 3 more breaths. Amazing, my friend. One more goodbye inhale. Exhale, release a twist. Shifting the shoulder forward, tuck the right toes. Kick the left heel up and back to a 3-legged dog. On the exhalation, squeeze the left knee to the left tricep. And from here, flip your hips. Open the left knee up and back. Bend the both knees to set the left toes behind to a flip dog. Left arm beside the left ear. Push your right palm away from the mat. Breathe here for 3 more breaths. Beautiful. Bring the left hand back down to the mat. High to low plank. Up dog, cobra. Open your heart. Exhale, down dog. You got this. Inhale, right leg up to a 3-legged dog. Exhale, right knee to the right wrist. Extend the left leg back to a single pigeon pose. Rest the forehead down to the mat for a moment. Beautiful, my friend. Bring your hands underneath the shoulder when you are ready. Tuck the left toes. And bring the right foot to the back of the mat to a down dog. Inhale, left leg up to a 3-legged dog. Exhale, single pigeon pose. Bend the left knee to the left wrist. Extend the right leg back. And rest the forehead down to the mat for a moment. You got it, my friend. Hands underneath the shoulder when you are ready. Tuck the right toes and bring the left foot to the back of the mat to a down dog. Inhale, bend your knees, look forward. Exhale, forward fold, travel to the top of the mat, maybe tiptoes to send the hips up to the sky, to stretch out to the lower back. Beautiful. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, squat and curl, lift the heels, bend the knees, curl the upper body, rounding the back. Inhale, straighten the legs out in front of you, arms beside the ears. Exhale, sit it forward, fold forehead to knees. 2 more rounds. Inhale, hands overhead. Exhale, forehead to knees. Inhale, lift the hands overhead. Exhale, forehead to knees. You got this. Inhale, hands up to the sky. Exhale, Savasana pose. Straighten the legs, the arms by the side, the palms facing up, allowing your body, your mind, relax completely. Keep relaxing in Savasana pose as long as you like. So that was your beautiful practice today. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you again very soon on the third day. The lion me bow to the lion you. Namaste.